Did you know that savvy travelers can often save up to 50% on transportation costs? Yes, you heard that right. By being smart and planning ahead, you can cut your travel expenses in half. That's right, half the cost. Imagine all the amazing places you could explore with those extra savings. Think about the additional adventures you could embark on, the extra meals you could enjoy, and the souvenirs you could bring back. Travel is more than just reaching a destination. It's about embracing new experiences. It's about the journey, the people you meet, and the stories you create along the way. It's about immersing yourself in different cultures and creating lifelong memories. Whether it's tasting exotic foods, learning new languages, or participating in local traditions, these experiences enrich your life. One of the keys to unlocking unforgettable travel experiences without breaking the bank is finding affordable transportation. This can open up a world of possibilities, allowing you to travel further and stay longer. Transportation is often a significant expense for travelers, but it doesn't have to be a budget buster. With a little research and flexibility, you can find budget-friendly options that make your travel dreams a reality. For many, the dream of exploring the world often bumps up against the reality of a limited budget. But don't let tight finances clip your wings. Budget travel is not about sacrificing experiences. It's about being smart and resourceful to make your travel dollars stretch further. By cutting down on transportation costs, you free up funds to splurge on things that truly matter to you. Whether it's a delicious meal, a unique souvenir, or an extra night in a charming guest house, every dollar saved brings you closer to another unforgettable adventure. For the budget-conscious traveler, the cost of getting from one place to another can often feel like a hurdle. High transportation costs can limit your ability to see new places and truly experience different cultures. Plane tickets, train fares, and even local transportation can quickly add up, eating into your travel fund. This is especially true for those with a thirst for exploring multiple destinations. But fear not. There are plenty of ways to navigate the world affordably without feeling like you're stuck in one place. One of the best ways to save money on transportation is to embrace public transportation. Hop on a bus, ride the train, or navigate the subway system like a local. Not only is it cost-effective, but it also offers a unique way to experience the culture and daily life of a city. You get to see the hustle and bustle, interact with locals, and maybe even discover hidden gems along the way. Public transportation is often significantly cheaper than taxis or private cars, especially in urban areas. And don't forget about the joys of budget airlines. These low-cost carriers have made air travel accessible to many, allowing for spontaneous trips and adventures. Imagine flying to a new city for the weekend without worrying about the cost. These carriers have revolutionized travel by offering incredibly low fares, making it possible to jet set across countries or even continents without breaking the bank. With a bit of planning, you can find deals that make your travel dreams a reality. Whether it's a quick getaway or a long-haul adventure, budget airlines have got you covered. While budget airlines might have some frills, remember it's about the journey, not just the ride. Embrace the simplicity and focus on the experiences you'll gain. From meeting new people to exploring new places, the memories you create will be priceless. So pack light, stay flexible, and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime. Section 5. Mastering the art of the deal. Finding the best deals on transportation often requires a bit of planning and flexibility, but the rewards are well worth the effort. One of the simplest strategies is to travel during the off-season. Airlines and hotels often offer significant discounts during these periods, as they aim to attract travelers. Another golden rule is to book early. Airlines often reward those who plan ahead with lower fares. Section 6. Unlocking insider secrets. Here's a tip from a seasoned traveler. Look for discounted tickets. These discounts can save you a significant amount of money, especially if you travel frequently or on a tight budget. Many transportation companies, especially trains and buses, offer special fares for students, seniors, and even groups. These discounts are often not advertised prominently, so it's always worth asking. If you qualify for any of these discounts, be sure to ask about them when booking. Don't hesitate to inquire at the ticket counter or check online for any available promotions. Sometimes, you might need to show a valid ID or proof of eligibility. Loyalty programs are your best friend. They can offer you a range of benefits that make your travel experience more enjoyable and cost-effective. Sign up for frequent flyer programs, hotel rewards programs, and even credit card rewards programs that offer travel benefits. These programs often come with perks like priority boarding, free checked bags, and room upgrades. Over time, these programs can help you accumulate points or miles that you can redeem for free or discounted travel. The more you travel, the more points you earn, which can lead to significant savings on future trips. So always keep an eye out for opportunities to earn and redeem points. Section 7. Reaping the rewards of savvy travel. By employing these budget-friendly transportation tips, you'll be amazed at how much you can save on your overall travel expenses. Imagine having more money to spend on experiencing the local culture, trying new foods, or even extending your trip to explore another fascinating destination. Saving money on transportation isn't just about stretching your budget. It's about making your travel dreams a reality. It's about having the freedom to say yes to more adventures and create unforgettable memories. Section 8. Keep exploring. So there you have it. These are just a few simple yet effective ways to keep your travel costs in check without sacrificing the quality of your adventures. Remember, the world is vast and full of incredible experiences waiting to be discovered. Don't stop here. There are countless other travel tips and tricks out there. Do you have a favorite budget travel tip? Share it in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel inspiration and insider advice. Happy travels!